Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Grown Man Acts Like a Toddler After Card Declines for PlayStation 5 Purchase by Unspoken Crime Murders.
In January 2023, officers received a phone call related to an incident at a local Walmart where a 40-year-old man was throwing a huge temper tantrum because he couldn't afford a PS5 bundle. His card declined multiple times, and not only did he become angry, but he also began threatening to shoot customers.
I hate when that
Let's see
happens.
how things unfolded.
Flying around from back us for the bathroom.
Okay, is he still over there?
Yeah, he's
Are you guys going to be in the store for a little bit?
I can be.
Okay. Would you say he disturbed your peace?
Yeah.
Would you be willing to put that on a statement?
Yes, I would.
She ain't even got no neck. How he gonna disturb anything? Fuck, I can't even get my words out to get. Start that over.
In January 2023, officers received a phone call related to an incident at a local Walmart where a 40-year-old man was throwing a huge temper tantrum because he couldn't afford a PS5 bundle. His card declined multiple times, and not only did he become angry, but he also began threatening to shoot customers.
I hate when that
Let's see how
happens.
Things unfolded.
Flying around from back us for the bathroom.
Okay, is he still over there?
Yeah, he's
Okay.
he's
Are you guys going to be in the store for a little bit?
I can be.
Okay. Would you say he disturbed your peace?
Yeah.
Would you be willing to put that on
You don't even got no neck. How he gonna disturb anything that you got going on?
a statement?
Yes, I would.
That's crazy. She can't even go like this.
Oh, sorry.
Look, he stressed the fuck out.
What's going on? I don't know what's going on.
She trying to get out of Dodge. I don't blame you, baby. I'll be trying to move too.
I already let you talk, and this is the thing. You asked for us to call the cop. You agitated the customers. You agitated associates. A customer
The syndrome is down on this one.
actually went to the front end.
No, you called me back here.
Let me just explain. Now that I got them here, you started agitating my associates. You got a customer uncomfortable, and you literally was upset.
Are you the manager?
Yes.
You want him trespassed?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, let's go. No, where are you going? Let me see your ID.
I don't have an ID.
You don't have an ID? What's your name?
Trying to argue with a Latina woman? Yeah, you do better just running into a brick wall 1,000 times.
Bro, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, well, you're being trespassed.
Okay then, you get away from me. I didn't do
What's your
nothing
name?
wrong. I waited here.
Okay.
I waited
That's fine.
here.
Keep walking.
I waited here.
Keep walking. You're being
Get out of my
trespassed. Keep
face.
walking.
Get the fuck out!
Trespassed. Keep walking.
That is a big ass dude.
My face.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I waited here and calmly. I knew she was here and calmly. I knew she was
The
waiting.
walk of shame. It's a shame.
What did he say to you?
When
She ain't got no neck.
he came around to the counter, he says I looked at him and he says, I've been here all day, you're just gonna have to wait. And he just starts going, I told her to record, so I don't know if she got into the recording of what he said or not.
Okay. Okay, well, he's being trespassed.
He was being rude and he threatened the one guy.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, what you want to do to me? You want to do something to me?
Look at this guy trying to be nosy.
I hurt my life.
He goes act like he looking around. That's some shit I do. I fold my arms, act like I'm looking for something just to see what was going on and be nosy. That's crazy. Somebody pulled my move in public is wild.
I didn't know what it was calling the cops. I literally tried to leave and she called me back there. Come on.
Well, at least the leaving was peaceful.
Man, you can't come back within a year.
At first, this seemed like a simple trespass warning, but
Yeah,
things took a wild turn after the suspect decided to threaten to harm the officers.
Whoa.
That's fine.
Oh, y'all ain't going to jail.
Yep, just get off the property.
This is harassment.
Okay, get off the property. You're being trespassed.
Get your ass on.
It's a privilege to be here.
Skedaddle.
All right.
Kick rocks.
I'm scared. I'm scared of us because you know the amount of power you guys have.
Okay. Well, it's a privately owned business. It's
I understand,
It's not a right to be here. It's
I
a
got
privilege,
you.
and you've been trespassed. If you come back, you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand the law, buddy. I'm almost 40. I'm almost 40 years old.
Congratulations.
You almost 40 years old acting like a 2-year-old is crazy.
Sir,
I'm just saying.
That's fantastic.
I'm
I'm
almost
glad
40.
you know your rights.
I'm just letting you know, by the way you're speaking to me, we can get on the same page. I'm almost 40 years old. I'm just saying. But we can get on the same page.
I understand you.
Can I ask you a quick question real quick? Just so that way we're on the same page.
Why are you guys, look, you guys are,
We gotta keep walking, man. But let me ask you a quick question, though.
you guys are
Did you-
harassing me.
No, you gotta get off the property.
They escorted you off the premises.
My question is, did you drive here or did you walk? Because if you walked here, then we're going straight to the sidewalk. If you drove here, then
I
we'll go to your
drove
car.
here, but I'm like, I don't
All
want
right,
you guys
well then let's go to the car because we're not walking all the way around.
My car's over here. I just, you know.
I got you, man. But I'm just telling you, because we're walking. Just hear me out.
I know.
We're walking right
You
now.
gotta walk
You in a $20 U-Haul? What the hell you got going on?
off the property.
And we're gonna walk you off the
But
property,
I'm
but then you're gonna come back to get your car.
Right, I'm
So
scared that you guys might try to do something to me. Oh, you're
as long as you get off, then you're good, man.
I got you. Thank
That's
you.
it.
Yep.
But you know what I'm saying. The power
I get what
that
you're
you
saying,
have.
man. I get.
He's on something. I don't know what it is, but I smell it.
But you gotta understand our point of view as well. All right.
I did. When I did.
All right.
I started to understand.
All right. Again, all I was trying to do was make sure you get your car, so that way you didn't get arrested.
All right.
All right.
Leave, motherfucker.
Do you haven't just say that we spoke with you, man? Do you have an ID on you?
I do not, bro.
You don't?
I literally
Okay.
had all my
I
stuff.
got you. What's your first name, brother?
I can't help you guys do this to me.
What's your first name? You don't want to give me your first name? I'm trying to just be respectful with you, man.
Bro, you can,
My name is
what
Jay.
you trying to do something to me? Come on.
I'm
guys,
not. I just want to know who I spoke with. That's it.
No,
They just want to know who they trespassing, bro. Just give me your name. You gonna be able to come back in a year. Like, it's okay.
you have a job, please.
I do, and this is my job to figure out who I'm speaking with. Who I'm speaking with. Okay. Can you give me your first name, please?
Don't let me hurt myself.
What
What
do
is
you
anything wrong right now?
Because you might be able to do a traffic
I'm
stop
not doing
and
anything
get
wrong.
No,
his name.
as long as you get off the property.
Because I
then
know
you're
he's
good.
going to violate something.
Do something to me, bro.
Okay. Can you give me your first name, please?
Don't let me hurt myself. Am I
What do
doing
you mean?
anything wrong right now?
Yeah, you're not giving them your name. They would have been left you alone if you would have just gave them your name. I feel like sometimes people just be wanting to go to jail, y'all.
Am I doing anything wrong? I
No,
just
as
wanna
long
know.
as long as you get off the property, then you're good. Okay.
First of all, I just don't want to hurt myself, okay?
What do you mean by that, though?
You're gonna get one.
Yeah,
got
what
a
the
warrant
fuck
or
does that
something?
mean?
You got a warrant?
I don't want to hurt myself. Like,
What do you mean by that,
give me
though?
more information than I need to do. I just like do just.
Right. Well, it's not hurting yourself, man. It's
What is this dude doing? Why
he's
is he
doing his
acting like
bro.
this?
He's doing his job. You can't be mad at him.
He has a point.
Dude, if you think I stole anything, I will sue you, bro. This is my stuff.
Okay. Nope. We're gonna get out.
No, please.
Hold on, what did he say?
You can't be mad at him.
Dude, if you think I stole anything, I will sue you, bro. This is my
Oh, you cannot say that to a cop. Yep, and he's cooked. A1 sauce. Well done.
stuff.
Okay. Nope.
Little jalapenos, no, bell peppers and onions on the
We're
side.
gonna get out.
No, please.
Crazy.
Please, don't do this to me, dude, please. Why? I didn't do anything wrong. Dude, what are you doing?
Is he
What are
crying?
you doing? Oh my God. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God. I didn't do that, you liar. You liar. I didn't do that. I didn't do that shit.
5-year-old me completely understands his logic. 34-year-old me, I don't know what the fuck just happened. He tried to pull off with the cop right there. Uh-oh. Taser, taser, taser. We got a 10:30 in progress. Get on your stomach. And this is why I work out every day, because if one man can hold you down, another man could, you know what? And it's gone. It's just taken. You can't do nothing.
You said that you're gonna shoot him.
I didn't say that, please.
I mean, he did say it.
Please don't do this to me, please.
Get up.
Please don't do this to me,
Get up.
please.
Sit on your butt. Come on.
Please.
1, 2, 3.
Please, guys, please.
Dude, you can't just say I'm gonna shoot him.
I didn't say that.
You definitely said that shit.
Okay.
I didn't say that,
I'm
dude.
gonna go grab
I
my-
didn't say that.
Okay.
I didn't say that,
I'm gonna go grab
dude.
my car real quick.
I didn't say that, please.
Stop walking around.
Please, I didn't say that.
What do you have on you?
I don't have anything, please.
He need to be tranquilized.
Please, I didn't do anything wrong, please. Please.
Get off the ground.
Please.
Get off the ground. Come on, stand up.
Please. Please don't do this to me, please. Please, I'm recovering my life. Please don't do this to me. Please. Please, God. Please. Please don't do this to me, please. Please, please, please.
You did it to yourself, bro.
Bro, you did this to yourself.
I don't, please. Please don't do this.
See, this is why I don't need to be a cop right there.
Please, please,
stand up.
please don't. Please.
Are you 40 years old or are you 6 years old? Come on, stand up.
Please, no, please.
I gave him a year up. I said 5.
Please, 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 please. Please don't do this to me, please. Please. I didn't do anything wrong. Nothing has happened. Please.
Sit down.
I'm sorry.
Sit down.
Oh my God, please. Please, guys. Please. Please. Please don't do this to me, please.
How the fuck he just took off his shoes?
I didn't do that. That was just an accident.
You put the car in reverse on accident.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I was fucking trying my best, please. I didn't do that on accident, you liars.
It was then that he realized he had made a terrible mistake.
Bro, it's not even about your foot on the brake at this point. It's about you saying that you're going to shoot my other officer.
Well, you have a body cam.
I do, and it
So
says...
I'm gonna have to wait until that point. My life is gonna get trashed into that point, dude. I'm not a criminal. I'm not used to being in jail all the time.
Well, you better get used to it.
Well, if you didn't say that you were going to shoot him, you were free to leave.
Bro, I didn't say that.
What an idiot.
It's on my body cam, dude.
I wanted to leave, dude. I wanted to leave.
And then you said you were...
I didn't say that.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and threatening a law enforcement officer. After being bonded out, he was charged again with trespassing for returning to the Walmart from which he had been banned.
What an idiot. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.